Hi Shivamani, how are you? Ready for your interview on Full Stack Developer? That's the spirit. Let's get started with the first question. Can you describe your experience with front end technologies? Which frameworks have you used? Nice. Ni- Nice. That's a well rounded answer. React is an excellent choice, and it sounds like you've got solid hands on experience with it. All right, next up. What is your approach to structuring a scalable backend application? Of course. How do you typically structure a backend application to ensure that it can scale effectively as demand grows? Awesome. You've got a solid grasp on how to build an efficient, scalable backend. Using RESTful APIs and ensuring modular architecture is a smart approach. All right, let's tackle a tricky one. How do you ensure the efficiency and performance of a database? Could you give an example from your past work? Great. Please go ahead with your example. Nice. That's excellent. Utilizing indexing and optimizing queries are key steps to improving database performance. Cutting response time by 40% is a fantastic outcome. All right, moving on, tell me about a time when you faced a challenge while working on a full stack project. How did you resolve it? Hmm. That's a solid approach. Dealing with CORS and JWT authentication can indeed be tricky, but it sounds like you handled it effectively. All right, for our final question, how do you prioritize tasks when working on both front end and back end development simultaneously? Great strategy. Balancing front end and back end tasks can be challenging, but it sounds like you manage it well with clear prioritization and planning. Well, that wraps up our interview. You did great handling some tough questions with confidence. Keep sharpening those skills. Thanks for chatting, Shivamani. Hope to see you crushing projects soon. You're welcome. You're, you're welcome. Bye and good luck with your projects.